Day 68 of 365 doing keto. Start off by making some cauliflower rice. Bring your chicken thighs and cut into small pieces. Add some bacon and put in the air fryer. Damn! Cook your rice into desired consistency. This looks nice. And now the chicken. Whipped cream. Spices. Of course some cheese. That cheese pool. Broccoli, cilantro. Make yourself a quick salad. And finally the best part, plating. I'm super full and this was amazing. Some flexing after training, shoulder day, and now snacks. Time to check the calendar. And now my blood.
0, 5.